In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to populate VMs from existing deployments of Continuity Engine into a newly deployed Continuity Engine management service. So let's get started. So I'm going to first log into my newly deployed Continuity Engine management service. And notice under the Servers tab, there is no servers here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to Discover Protected Servers. And it brings up a little dialog box that asks us for a range of IP addresses that it's going to search on. So what we're going to do is we're going to put 192.168.0.1, and we're going to search the entire subnet. And then we're going to put the user ID and password. In this case, I'm going to put the domain account in. And then the password. And then there's a button at the bottom here that says search and add. So it's going to search using these credentials on this subnet at this port 9727. And when it finds those and is able to log in as those administrative credentials, it will then add them and populate them into the Continuity Engine Management Service UI. So let's do this. Search and add. And notice that it's scanning the entire subnet, and it takes a little bit of time, maybe another minute or so for this to go through the process, but it searches every IP address for Continuity Engine. So once I'm done with this, I can close. Now notice that under the Servers tab, we have 3 deployments of Continuity Engine. So now we have a list of protected servers. And that is how we pre-populate a new deployment of the engine management service using the Discover Protected Servers feature of Continuity Engine Management Service.